In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your Lovable project on Cpanel with a custom domain. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set your domain inside Lovable so you can point it from your Cpanel hosting and make your project publicly accessible on your own URL. First, head to the Lovable dashboard. This is your home base where every project you've built or collaborated on is listed. If you have multiple projects, open the All Projects view so you can quickly scan everything in one place. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace or account, especially if you use Lovable for both personal and client work. Next, select the project you want to publish. Clicking into the project opens its overview. If you see a sidebar with your project name on the left, use that to anchor yourself. Clicking the project name there ensures you're viewing the correct project context and not a template or a different environment. Now it's time to configure the domain. Go into settings for this project. Settings is where Lovable keeps deployment, environment, and domain options, and it's the safest place to make changes that affect how your site goes live. Inside Settings, open the Domains tab. This is where you'll tell Lovable which custom domain you intend to use. You'll see two key actions. If you already own a domain, choose Add Existing Domain. Enter the domain you plan to use, root domain or a subdomain, whichever you prefer. After adding it, Lovable will show you the DNS targets you need, such as an A record or CNAME, along with the expected values. Keep that page open. In your cPanel hosted environment, you'll use your DNS tools, often via Zone Editor or your registrar's DNS panel, to point the domain to Lovable's targets. A quick tip, set a reasonable TTL so changes propagate faster, and give DNS up to a couple of hours to update globally. If SSL is issued automatically, it may complete only after the domain resolves correctly. If you don't have a domain yet, choose Purchase New Domain. Buying directly from within the workflow can simplify setup because the system already knows where to connect things. Just pick a name, complete the purchase, and follow the prompts Lovable provides for connection and verification. That's it for the Lovable side. You navigated to your project, opened settings, went to domains, and either added an existing domain or purchased a new one. From there, finish the DNS pointing in your cPanel or registrar, wait for propagation, and you'll be live on your custom URL. If something doesn't resolve immediately, give it a bit more time and then try again.